Okay, this next one, we're going to take the car and we're going to put it in the sun. And then we're going to see how it works and put some shade on it in different places and stuff like that. Then, we're going to go to experiment number 2. Okay, this is the solar cell. Let's take a little close look at it. Here you can see myself in it. Ah, there I am. Alright, so these little cells pick up all that light and they make electricity out of that light as the photons bump into the electrons. And if you look back here, here's the back, and you can see the wires coming off of it. And of course you have the, here let me twist this a little bit, I'm going to flip this over here. You have the negative side and the positive side. Electrons come out of here and come into here in a circuit, in a circle. And then you have the little motor, and the little motor's right here. You can see this, so that was a black one, so that's where the electrons, they go in, because that's the function of it. And this is over here, the red side. Here, hold on a second, let me find it. There it is. Okay, and this is where they come out. So everything runs in a circle just like water does. The little electric motor, wheels to stop the friction. These are the plates, these plates right here. Oops, sorry about that. These plates right here are used to make connections. And it's really pretty simple to connect them. All you have to do is just stick them in like this. So I'm going to follow the diagram, and I'm going to put these where they're supposed to be.
Okay, we got the car ready to go. And if it's working right, as soon as it hits the sun, we should see some power. The sun's right there. Whoa. Power! Woo! Power on. Power off. Can we see how it runs? Let's put it on the ground. See what happens. We ready? It's not working. What's wrong? Oh, sun. Let me turn around. Better catch it. Catch it.
Oh no!
Crash. That's cool. Speed! Power! This is how you turn down the gears. You're getting in my light, dear.
Well, that's cool. What do you think?
I think that's cool.
Let's run it again.
All right, let's do it. Sideways. Ready?
Yes, go.
Go. Go. Good stop work.
What?
It doesn't work.
Why it's not working?
I don't know. Because upside down? No.
Can you make it work?
You don't even have it on.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Oh, okay. Can I make it work? Of course
Yeah.
I can make it work.
Show me.
There we go.
Oh, isn't that cool? I know how to make it work too. Let me see it. Oh, you know what? I thought that worked. You know why? Because you're so bright. Yeah, I know. I'm so bright, my dad calls me son. Ha ha! Ha!